Myself, Gajesh Batseva. I've started my business since 2003. I have my office in Mumbai and Dubai at Shehzad Road. I've done my college from LS Rahija from Bandra. Then after that, I've worked with the best of the best architecture from Talati Panki Associates for more than 5 years. Till now, I have more than 100 satisfied clients, ranging from small apartment to a very high-end bungalows of 20,000 square feet at the same time. We have in-house team for architectures, designers, 3D visualizers, walk-ins, each and everything. So majorly if I say like what's different between GMBs, basically we have in-house entire team. No one has that basically, very few of them has it. So that's the specialty of ours. We have worked across the globe, we have done projects in London, Indonesia, India and Dubai. This is one of the few acknowledgement what we have gained basically. We have won a honor from Bank of Baroda from more than 40 odd entries where we have received the top architects award where our design was chosen. Coming to what we do. What we are into is the first as an architecture. What we see in exterior structure, that is known as architecture, which we designs. Then second is interior designing. Basically what we see indoor of a house, of a bungalow, of a flat, of a space, that we design from scratch to finish. And the last one is consultancy and project management. Many international firms in India, they are looking for someone like us who have good knowledge of products, designings and details. So basically they outsource us basically for do all their project handling from abroad. So we take care of that kind of a project management also at the same time. Because of one reason, we have experienced team of designers in-house. Coming to our LCDs, this is one of the LCDs. What we do is the apartments basically, ranging from 1 BHK, then it goes on. Then second one is the bungalows, private bungalows. In Bombay also we have done like around 10,000 square feet bungalows in Bandra, Bali Hill for Mahesh Rotandas. And the third one is farmhouse. We have done farmhouses in Lonavala, Karjat, Pauna, and many on. Besides this, now from where we get these ideas basically. Just an example, like we inspire from different objects. Like this is an example to give, like this is an object like a cloth. From there we taken this concept of handles and many on. What is the process we design? This is a small process. What we design is one of the sketches we do. What you can see out here is, then from the sketch, then we create into a AutoCAD, and from AutoCAD we convert into a 3D visualize. So the 3D what we do, this 3D, it looks the same when it's totally done. So when the project starts, the client gets an idea how the project would look once it's done. So where all we showcase the entire fittings, the tiles, the marbles, the nitty-gritties, the light effects, and so on. So this is one of them. These are some of the projects we have done all over. This is one of the flats we have done at Carter Road. This was 3 BHK. It was on a modern lines, minimalistic look. Then few of the bedrooms, other areas. This is one of the bungalows, bedroom in Dubai. This is some other apartments. At the same time, while designing, each and everyone has his own concept, like designing from ethnic, classical. So we have done, this is one of the house which we have done it in classical theme basically. This we call it Majlis dining. This is a huge dining for the Dubai concept basically. So we call it Majlis dining. This was the classical concept, what we've done it. This is one of the projects we have done in Pauna. It was on front of the Pauna Dam. So what the concept is negative edge pool. That was the beauty of this entire farm. This was a property of 4-acre property, which out here you can see we have done a 40 feet length pool with an infinity edge pool. It seems like the farmhouse or the bungalow or the house is on front of the lake, but it is not. It is like more than 1,000 meter on the hill basically. But that was a concept. So this is the concept what we work across. Each and every project what we work is totally on a concept basis. What are the advantages of GMB Skodra? One of the advantages I can say is we are creative in designs, attention to details. We take care of each and every details, from selection of materials to the finishing of the nitty-gritties. Then I personally take care that all my projects are under my own hand. We do end-to-end solution. Basically, there are many clients who says we don't want to go for any kind of selections. You are the one who will take care of it. We will just come across with the bags to dump in. That's it, nothing else. So we take care of end-to-end solutions and so on. Design build process. These are our design build process. Architecture, designing, construction under single one roof. That's GMB Sculptra. We will showcase a small video where you can figure out coordination between 100% coordination.
It's like a turnkey project. Start to finish from concept, that's what the architect does.